Hello from Slovenia again. Today, sorry, it's a weird day here. We have spring and cherry trees were in full blossom, and today we have snow. So, weird day today. So I will use this flower gadget. I will check what the name of this thing is. That Chris sent me from paint pour store. You can grab some things there with the discount code. You will get 50% off. 15, not 50, 15% off. If you will order that with that link that I will put into the description box, I will just spread a little black, not a lot, because I will not do a reverse dip this time. I will just try to pour some paint into this and spin it out. So just don't want as much black in the middle, so I will just spread this around on the canvas to have a nice base coat that paint will be able to flow. And I still have those paints, you know, in my squeeze bottles, permanent red, violet and yellow mixture, and greenish blue, and 24 karat gold, no, extreme sheen gold, and pearl white. So I will use the same colors that I used in some of those other pours. Just maybe one spin just to spread this a little bit. And of course I spread it around, all around, but as I said quite some times before, I don't mind, because this is my art studio. When I was painting in my kitchen, it was different, but here is all about the paint, so I don't mind to have paint on the table or a little bit around, so, but that's just me. Okay, oops, and I just got paint on the cup too, so whoop, this attachment goes off. I didn't know that, so I will show you just in a second, just to clean this mess a little bit. So maybe I have a little too much mess this time. Obviously it's that day again. See, this thing goes off, so I thought to find the center, but I will not. I will just put this on. Doesn't matter. And I will, maybe I will start with this, no, I will start with this cerulean blue and pearl white and violet and gold and yellow and blue again and pearl white again and violet again gold. Ooh, maybe it was a little too much gold. And yellow. Let's do pearl white now. And the blue. I like how this looks when it's flowing off. Not off, out. And it's good if you don't have your paint into the squeeze bottles. It should be great too, because you have this funnel that you can pour on and it will not you will not have troubles with that, I believe. And I will maybe I will try to squeeze a little more of this blue out if I can. Some pearl white and some violet, and I will be done. I will leave this, and obviously I should do something in the middle. We'll just try to do that first. It will help, not much. I will just go with this dotting tool. I will just follow those lines. Towards the middle. Interesting. I will just torch it real quick because I have a lot of air bubbles. And now I will spin this. And I'm done. Very interesting things, I will say. It's kind of a leaky cup look, but much easier to do. So let me take you down for a close-up. Oops, sorry. So here it is. See, all those lines almost look like 3D. I wonder how this will look if I pour in, you know, kind of with split cup. And see, I did get some lacing and some cells out, and I will say that I like this. Oops, sorry. Definitely needs some practice, because probably you can get something really maybe nicer from this, but I will say that mission is accomplished. Or what is the word? So if you want to try those tools too, you can check paintpourstore.com. I like these veins, kind of. You see them? And you have a coupon code for 15% off. And see you on the next one. Bye!